In this video, we're talking about Geminis, and out of all the people in the zodiac sign, which pair makes the best sexual relations? We're about to figure that out coming up. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell real quick for me. Yeah, I like that. I know you like that too. When paired with Aries, passion, creativity, sexual energy, this pair knows what to do when it comes to sex. Gemini could be too playful, but Aries will be open to it. When paired with Tauruses, Tauruses need physical touch and Geminis need that intellectual stimulation. Once Geminis get bored, Tauruses will see that and be like, okay, you're not adding any more emotional into the sexual relations. What's going on here, dude? Or ma'am, what's going on? They'll get triggered, actually, that's what I'm saying. When paired with another Gemini, okay, seeing two Geminis have a good sex life is funny. Because one minute they could be banging the heads and then next minute they'd be talking and you'd be like, yo, I thought you guys were going at each other's throats. Like, what's going on here? However, they are more likely to share information and coordination in order to make it work. So kudos to them. When paired with Cancer, Gemini is like the wild sex outside. The problem is it becomes a problem when things happen over and over and over again. Patience and communication is key to make this work. If not, it's just gonna flop. When paired with Leo, I'm talking about the energy, I'm talking about the creativity, the passion. This pair has it all, and that is what I'm talking about. Hey, did I mention communication and intellect too? Oh my gosh, damn, that's orgasmic. What? When paired with Virgo, even though this pair has a lot of respect for each other, when it comes to sex, things become very different. Actually, it doesn't really please both sides of the pair. They both need verbal stimulation. When paired with Libra, when it comes to balance, wait, let me balance that up a little bit. Is it balance? I feel like my arms are like... When it comes to balance, this pair knows what to do. Even though Libras can be indecisive, it won't be a problem for Geminis to be like, okay, I have a solution, let's figure something out. When paired with Scorpios, if you want your sex life to flop, then this is the pair for you. Yes, they might be actually good pair, but if we're talking about sex, no. No. Next, when paired with Sagittarius, this pair is so light and carefree and even childish if they don't even care too much about sex. But the communication and passion is worth it. And to be honest with you, that's not a bad thing to be light, free, and childish during sex. Sex doesn't always have to be friggin' serious. Have some goddamn fun with it, why don't you? When paired with Capricorn, Capricorns need to be very relaxed and open-minded when it comes to sex. They might find Geminis to be a little bit childish because they do not value the same traditional style of sex. When paired with Aquarius, this pair can have sex in a very verbal way. They don't need to be naked just to have sex. Verbal stimulation is what turns them on. They both get aroused by intellect. When paired with Pisces, even though Geminis can be very creative, they might find it very difficult to express themselves to Pisces. Geminis aren't in the search to find that one special person to have sex, while Pisces would rather find that special someone. If you guys enjoyed that video, I have a whole bunch of other videos talking about horoscopes, so definitely check that out. See, you might learn something, you might find something interesting. I can't speak English. Interesting, but you never know. One way to find out. So definitely click in the link in the video description, and I'm just gonna end the video because I am running over my words and I'm not talking English properly. I can't speak English at all.